Good day, everyone. I've got this beef here. I'm gonna make some shish kebabs. I'm gonna marinate them. Some teriyaki shish kebabs. So I've got some meat here. It's done on thawing right now. And I got my shish kebab sticks, my bamboo sticks here. And then I got a pan in which to marinate it. And then here's the marinade that I'm gonna use. I usually like to go with Mr. Yoshida, but I don't have any of that. So I'm gonna go with this Kikkoman original teriyaki marinade. And I've got some zucchini and yellow squash here I'm gonna put on the stick as well. And some onion. These are about ready to go on the grill, but first I'm gonna sprinkle some black pepper over it. Got my grill nice and hot. These things smell delicious. Go ahead and flip them over one time. Lost that other piece there. Now I'll just take a little bit more of that teriyaki sauce. Just kind of coat them. Let's give us a little taste test. The squash is amazing. I made sure the meat was about 150 degrees, between 150 and 155, and then I pulled it off. But this is so delicious, nice and moist and juicy.